Oh, this is cool. One of the greatest and hardest dance scenes ever recorded. The Nicholas Brothers Jumping Jive from 1943. Now, something I wanted to mention. Actually, can you just take that title and throw it into YouTube? From where it starts, the Nicholas Brothers. Yeah, right there. Because this movie clip, whatever it is, from what did I say? 1943. Yes, it has been colorized with de-oldify. And so I got to shout out this YouTube channel, Black Pepper Swing, because obviously this was a black and white clip originally, and they've made it. I mean, they brought such life to it with this de-oldify. Post-processing applied to balance colors and to remove some artifacts. It's very difficult doing this stuff and making it look believable or accurate at all.
Yeah, with the skin tones and stuff.
It's very, very difficult. But anyway, that's not the entire point. The point is to actually watch the video, and you can go to the Black Pepper Swing version of it, because the Reddit post is kind of doesn't play very well. No, just play the video on YouTube. It's the same video.
This one?
Yeah, and kill the audio. Oh, you don't have any audio. Okay. Maybe give me a touch of the audio. I'm going to take a big risk right now. Give me a little touch of the audio. I don't know if we're going to get pegged for this, but it's kind of actually important. It's kind of actually important because what's going on here, and I'm going to talk a little bit through it, is that the dancers are actually contributing a contributing instrument because of the sound of their feet and the fact that their dance sequence is correlated to the instrumentation. So, this is a beautiful thing to watch as these humans in real time have to make adjustments to manage the choreography. It's not like you have a track playing in the background, right? It's not like a recording.
So they didn't rehearse this then.
Oh, I'm sure they rehearsed it about 1,000 times, but I want you to scroll forward now to when the actual dance sequence happens.
Oh, so they're playing to the beat.
But there's a swing to it. It's not like how it's not like you can tell it's not computerized.
Wow, they're dancing on top of tables, jumping from table to table. Right beside what was that tuba?
Well, look, the guy almost got kicked in the front, right? You can see his expression. He's like, man, I almost got kicked in the head.
Just don't move.
But these guys are in such tune with one another. You can see the de-oldify filter having some issues and halos around. Anyway, go forward a little bit. There's one element I want to show you here where they go up.
Well, they did the splits.
No, but it's... You see the way they come up from the splits, but watch them come down the stairs here. This is, I feel tremendous pain here. Bang!
Oh.
Bang! Bam! And you hear the way that the band is having to adjust its timing to match.
Very cool.
You can imagine seeing this show. It got me thinking, because you watch a lot of these shows, right? Modern concerts and things like that. And they lean a lot on special effects and LEDs and fireworks. And you just have so many ways to make a spectacle. Mm-hmm. But when you didn't have access to all those extra tools to make something impressive, you had to have performances like that.
Yeah.
Where they're just nailing it. They're just, you have to make a spectacle out of, with a little bit less help from special effects and so forth. And so you do a bunch of splits. I mean.
There's no cords attached to them.
Can you imagine?
And they're wearing suits.
Can you imagine the long-term effects of how many... Because you're only seeing it 5-6 times in a row down those stairs, but imagine all the rehearsals,
yes,
the stretching, and I mean, their expression, like they're so comfortable doing this. They're so in sync and in tune.
This reminds me of was it Cirque du Soleil? Yeah.
Well, in those
where
cases,
there is no effects to it.
Those are people are straight up acrobats. Like they're like gymnast style acrobats. But you can just imagine going to this event. You're sitting at one of these tables, and these guys are just knocking it out of the park, man. Anyway, cool historic clip.
Good stuff.
And it's been enhanced, and it's very impressive.
All right, last